Good morning. I am Professor Om Prakash Singh. I am editor of Indian Journal of Psychiatry. Actually, today I will talking about the value of kindness for the self and society and its effect on the mental health of the self. As a human, we are only species which are aware of our mortality, and that puts lots of stress in our mind. And throughout the ages, there has been mechanisms by which we have tried to overcome it. In groups, we have always taken care of each other and worked in a group, and that is the reason human species has come out on top. So all of these things are inbuilt in our brain, and with the recent development of mirror neurons in the brain, it has come out that we are directly affected and also feel the emotions of the others. So when somebody is in distress in front of us, we also get distressed. And also, if somebody has having like happiness, we also feel happy. That is because of our wiring in the brain. So kindness is something which uh, we do for ourselves and do for others. So when we do for others, it makes us happy. It makes our brain good, and this leads to a lot of better things. Our system reboots, and our brain becomes more healthier brain. That's why everybody has talked about being kind to other persons. So being kind to other person is not helping them; it is helping ourselves. And in this pandemic of corona, when everybody is sort of isolated, we are not able to meet each other, and there are a lot of people who are in need of support. This is our duty to help them, to take care of their anguish, and this will lead to happiness in us. That is the most important thing. So what are the things which we can do for this? Like we can connect, first connect to ourselves. We have time, so we try to be at peace with ourselves. We determine what are the things which are most important in life and give them priority over the things on which we have been running along. We have time to develop and work on our hobbies, something which we always wanted to do but are not able to do. Then we try to talk with our friends, our relatives with whom we do not have any contact for a long time. So renew that contract, be start chatting with them, then it will bring happiness. Then we have to look around ourselves and find people whom we can support. The elder people in our neighborhood who will require medical care, who will require medicines, who will require help with their groceries. So, this is the simple task we can perform for them. And the happiness on their faces will be the reward which will help us to feel better and keep away our anxieties and depression. Similarly, we can find people who are not having job, so provide food to them, taking care of animals which are getting less food in this time of epidemic because of the closed shops, restaurants, and others. We can do something uh, for underprivileged people. Previously, the migrants were a major problem, so providing food to them, medication to them was a priority. And we can do this. Students which are not able to go to school and who do not have. So we can spare some time for the children and teach them. So all these acts of kindness are going to make society better. It is going to make us feel better, and our mental health will be much better. You will wonder why a psychiatrist is talking about kindness. Because, as I initially said, the empathy, the feeling we are sending, seeing all around, leads to activation of mirror neurons and generate feelings in ourselves. So happiness is our side outside. We feel happiness inside also. So kindness does to us. Then the second thing, there are permanent changes in brain when we do hold a hand, we do good things. There are hormones, neurotransmitters secreted in brain, which help us to feel better, and they also help us to maintain our brain, maintain the brain system. So kindness in this time of pandemic is a requirement for the society and for the self. Thank you.